Hey everybody, it's Sarah from the Style Blog, and today I'm so excited to be doing a beauty subscription box showdown. So this month I ordered a subscription box from Boxycharm and Ipsy. I'm going to give you all the pros and cons, the differences, the similarities, the price, what I got in each box, and at the end I'm going to tell you if it's actually worth it to sign up for one of these services. First off, let's talk Ipsy. So they have 3 subscription levels. So I chose the products from Ipsy and Boxycharm that were most comparable. They were both $25 with 5 full-size products. The Glam Bag Plus, which is what I got, is supposed to be valued at over $120. Okay, next up, let's talk Boxycharm. So they have 2 different levels that I'm aware of. This is the base level, which is $25 for 5 full-size products, and they say it's supposed to be valued at $120 or more. So this is basically the same as the Glam Plus Ipsy box. So both of these boxes ship out once per month. They usually ship out in the middle of the month. I received the Boxycharm on the 13th and then the Ipsy on the 16th of the month. And I was also able to pick 1 product per box. They gave me a choice of between 3 to 5 different products, and you could pick that 1 product, and then the other 4 are kind of just a surprise. You can fill out quizzes on both of these sites and tell them what type of skin type you have, what colors you prefer, if you prefer more makeup or more skincare, etc. And they try to create a box that's catered just to you. Okay, so let's go over what I received in each box, what the value is, and if it was actually any good or not. Okay, so let's start with the Ipsy box. Let's see what's inside. So what's really fun about Ipsy is that their boxes every month come with a little pouch. So this one is summer themed and it is so cute. Okay, so let's get to my 5 full-size products. So I got this Tarte mascara, this Ciate London Watermelon Primer, this Il Makiage eyeshadow, this Ofra highlighter, which actually came completely shattered, wah wah, and then some Mid-Flower Hyaluronic Acid masks. Okay, so this first one is this Tarte C Surfer Curl Mascara. This retails for $23, and this is possibly the worst mascara I've ever tried in my entire life. It was so horrible. Within 20 minutes, it had flaked all over my face. I'll post pictures here to show you. So I've been waiting for this. It's going straight in the trash. I hate it. It's awful. No one should ever buy this. Next, I received this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. It's their collab with Nikki Tutorials. It's called Glazed Donut. Unfortunately, it came completely shattered, which is such a disappointment. Wah wah. So I sent in a support ticket on the Ipsy website. Less than 45 minutes later, they said they will have another one on the way, except I won't receive it for 15 business days. It's like 3 full weeks. That's a long time to be waiting on a replacement, but at least they got back to me quickly. Ofra makes great highlighters. I'm not sure that I love this color on me, but this one retails for $35. Next up is this Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. So I put on my profile that I have super oily skin. I'm not sure whether they're sending me a hydrating primer. This packaging looks super fun. It smells delicious like watermelons. However, when I put it on, it was so sticky and it stayed sticky the entire day. I finally had to wash it off after 3 to 4 hours because it was awful. So far I'm not having much luck with this box, unfortunately. Next up is this Il Makiage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. This was one of the choices. You could pick between this and I think a bunch of skincare products, and you could choose between like 3 different colors. So I got Shopaholic, which is basically a rose gold color. The packaging on this is beautiful. However, it retails for $29. $29 for a single eyeshadow? Are you kidding me? I feel like it's incredibly overpriced, especially since I didn't actually love it very much. It's supposed to be very shimmery and sparkly, and it was not that way on my lids, and it made my lids look very wrinkly. And throughout the day, it wore all over my eye area. It did not stay in one place at all. It has good color payoff, it just isn't very shimmery and it's very hard to blend. I don't think this is worth $29 at all. Alright, and the last product I received were these Mid-Flower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Masks. They're sheet masks. I have already used one of these. It came with 3 of these, which retails for about $12 for 3 of them. They were fine. I didn't really notice a difference in my skin, and they took about 30 minutes to dry down, and it said to wait to take them off until they were completely dry. So unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to continue using any of these 5 products, which is such a bummer. I never really have months where I don't like any of the products, so I'm actually kind of disappointed in this especially. Okay, so Ipsy promises that your Glam Bag Plus will retail for over $120 and this whole set retailed for $127. Okay, so now let's move to the Boxycharm box. Dun dun dun! I think it's really nice that they include this card inside the box telling you every product you received, what you can use it for, and then how much it retails for. This is super handy. First off, I received Grace and Stella eye masks. Then I got this 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. I also received this Ola Neon Liquid Lipstick, this Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Contouring Palette, and then a Studio Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, so let's quickly go through these products. So the first product here is this Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. I actually really love this brand, and I discovered them through Boxycharm several months ago. Their eyeshadow palettes are amazing quality. This palette, however, I feel like is just too warm for my skin. I prefer a cooler bronzer. I feel like these would look great on me if I had warmer or darker skin, but unfortunately they just don't work for my skin tone. However, their products are super quality, so I'm not quite as upset with this because it is a good quality. It's just not the right color for me. This retails for $30. Next up is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. I had actually never heard of this brand before this boxy. It comes out in a little wand. I'm actually wearing this color on my lids today, so I wouldn't say that this is amazingly shimmery or has amazing color payoff. It was pretty good, and it was also very, very wet, and it took a long time to dry down. So I'm not sure that I love this. It's a decent product, but it's not my favorite. This retails for $25, which I feel like is very expensive. I do really like this rose gold color though. Next up is this Ola Neon Liquid Lipstick in the color The Easy Sell. This retails for $17, and ooh la la, look at that color. So pretty. I'm actually wearing it right now. It goes on very smoothly and evenly, and the color is just beautiful. So I had never tried this brand before this box, but now I want to try all of their products because this one is really, really good. I've been wearing this, I think, 4 hours now, and it hasn't smudged or faded at all, which is definitely a good thing by me. Okay, next up are these Grace and Stella eye masks. They're anti-wrinkle and energizing, so I actually haven't tried these. I meant so much to try these before I filmed today, but then I had my makeup on and I thought, dang, I should have done that. So these are really cool looking, and I'm very, very excited to try these. I actually looked these up on Amazon. So they have 1,200 reviews, and the average is 4.5 stars. So that's when I know it's going to be a good product. I really wish I would have tried these, but I am looking forward to trying them soon. So this box contains 12 pairs, and it retails for $21. Next up, guys, I don't have nice things to say about this next product. This is the 111 Skin NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster. So it doesn't say much about what it contains or what it does for your skin. It just says pollution defense. I'm going to need a little bit more information about that. They don't have much information online. They don't cite studies or anything like that, which kind of bugs me with skincare. I'm very, very picky on what I put on my skin. So this serum retails for, get this, $135. Really? It's kind of an unknown brand. I can't find it for sale many places on the internet. I feel like this is a gimmick. I feel like they got this just to boost the price of their boxes, and I feel like Boxycharm does this a lot. Plus, Boxycharm has this thing that they call the pop-up store, and it comes out, I don't know, after you get your box, then you can add things with free shipping. So right now, it's for sale on their site for $12. How much is this marked up if they can still sell it for $12 and probably make a profit off of it? I'm sorry, but this just rubs me the wrong way. So adding up the retail value of everything in my Boxycharm box equals $228. However, I feel like we should value this serum at $35 instead of $135. So then that would give us a total of $128. That's basically the same retail value as the Ipsy box. Okay, so here's my conclusion of what I received this month. I feel like Ipsy came with more well-known brands such as Tarte, Ofra, Ciate, Il Makiage. I feel like a lot of beauty fanatics know these brands and they're well recognized, but I feel like they are the lowest of low of their products. Maybe it's the products that aren't selling on their sites and they are giving them to Ipsy at a discount and they're sending them to us. Honestly, I feel like these were dud products from these brands. Also, I very clearly put on my profile that I have super oily skin, and they sent me 2 of the 5 products for dry skin. So that kind of irks me a little bit too. So I feel like with Boxycharm, they send more indie and small brand makeup products, which I actually enjoy finding these new brands because a lot of time they're really great quality. We just don't know about them. So this includes the Ace Beauty and the Ola Neon. I'm so excited to have discovered this brand, and the Ace Beauty I discovered from Boxycharm, and they have amazing quality products as well. So also on the Boxycharm survey, I put I want as little skincare as possible. I want all makeup, and they sent me 2 of the 5 products were skincare. So that's kind of annoying as well. I feel like I received more hit products from Boxycharm, however, they were lesser known brands. And then I feel like I received more well-known brands with Ipsy, but they were more dud products. So bottom line, should you sign up for one of these subscription services? Well, I feel like if you want to be surprised every month, I really like the process of ordering. You get to pick your choice, it's shipped to you, it arrives in this beautifully packaged box, you get to open it, try new products. That whole process is very fun for me. However, I notice I only last, 2 to 3 months before I cancel my subscriptions because I'll accumulate a lot of products that I don't like, and I'm just kind of sick of trying new products at that point, and I kind of want to focus on things that I want to order. So I will say that I have discovered some amazing brands and products from subscription boxes, and I'm so thankful for that. But I do tend to get very upset when I get products that I feel like are overpriced or that don't work. So I need to work on not being so upset about it because it was only $25 and the products retail for a lot more than that. So there's not a one-size-fits-all with this. If you think you would be excited to get new products and try new things for a great price and get a surprise every month, then I would say sign up for a month or 2. I wouldn't sign up for a whole year because you don't know how well you'll like it and then you can't cancel. However, if you know that you're going to be super upset if you get a bunch of products that you don't like, I would say don't try this because you probably will be upset because you're going to get a product you don't like. I need some red flashing lights and a big warning sign for this next part. Make sure you cancel your subscription before the 1st of the month or before they bill for that next cycle if you don't want the next box. Don't just let it sit on there and keep getting boxes when you don't want them. So for me, I think I'm done with Ipsy for a little while. I think I'll get another month of Boxycharm and see how next month's goes. So next up, guys, this morning I actually filmed a review and application of this self-tanner that promises the darkest tan possible in only 1 hour for $10. You definitely don't want to miss that. I'm going to link that for you right up here. And then down here, I'm going to link for you Husband Picks My Clothes video. So my husband actually picked out this beautiful top from Revolve for me, this flowy peplum lace gorgeousness. He picked out 3 outfits for me, and they were all really good. Some surprising things, but mostly good things. It was really funny, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Can't wait to see you there. Bye, guys.